Right viewers, we're up to video 13 for this Volkswagen T25, bringing it back to life, restoration. What I've done this morning, it's a beautiful morning today, absolutely glorious, scorchio it is. I've rubbed that eye top down. While weather's like this, I'm going to try and get that eye top painted, but I've had to get gutters a right good clean and rub down. It's really important on these that gutters are clean, because they're a notorious rot spot and they're an absolute nightmare to repair. Well, I've got a few rust scabs, not rot, just surface rust. So I'm going to top's fiberglass so don't get no issues with that. I've rubbed all that down with a few scabs on front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a coat of Victan, which is rust neutraliser. If you're into Volkswagens, you'll go through a lot of this. Victan. So I'm going to get them spots of rust a dose of Victan. Like I say, I've rubbed them down. I've blown all dust off where I've rubbed roof down. I'm going to get a wipe or with panel wipe, and we're looking to getting some paint on. I don't think I'll be able to film me spraying, because I'll be trying to get it done as quick as possible before I annoy old neighbours with overspray. So I'll crack on and I'll get back to you when I've done a bit more. Well, before I go, I've thrown a bit of zinc primer on that step, because that step where I'd put that black seam sealer, it looked pretty gruesome. But now we've thrown a bit of zinc primer on, we're starting to look somewhat like. Right, I'll come back to you when I've done a bit more. Right, quick update on where we're up to. I've given this top 2 coats of primer. I were hoping to get a top coat of paint on today, but it's as damp as hell outside, so I don't risk it. This is a matte finish. Some reason or other I've had a reaction there and that's gone. Paint's reacted with some of what were underneath. Now I don't know if you can remember what this was like, but it was like an off-white yellowy colour. It weren't nice at all. So I'm painting that in the same white as top as this. Bottom's going to be orange. I'm doing top in Ford Diamond White, purely and simply because I've got some of that already in stock. So that's what I'm going to be doing top here for this vanning, Ford Diamond White. And bottom, I'm doing in Volkswagen Orange, but it's called Volkswagen RAC Orange, and that's what I'm going to be doing bottoming. But top's going to be Ford Diamond White, simply because that's what I've got. But for today, that putting top coat on that's on hold. So what I've done is, this van didn't come with a wireless, so I weren't going to put an expensive wireless in. What I've bought is the cheapest retro wireless I could find on eBay. Now obviously there's no DVD player in, but they've got Bluetooth and they've got USB, and they've also got we can put a memory card in. It don't look a lot, but it didn't cost a lot either. Believe it or not, I bought this off of eBay, cheapest one I could find, and it were in this country. I got it in 3 days, and it were £11.69p. Can't believe it, can you? So it'll probably be shite, but at least it beats having that oil in dashboard. So I'll have something in dashboard. I'm going to fit this today, just for fits and giggles, and it comes with it comes with that, with wiring. One's for power and one's for speakers. Believe it or not, something as poxy and cheap and tacky as that even comes with comes with a remote control. I couldn't write it, could I? £11.69p. Anyway, this is box what it come in. Car MP3 player with USB and SD port. 60 watt, bloody well, I don't know what all that baloney means. It means no to me. But it was cheapest wireless I could buy, and I bought it purely and simply just to fill that oil in. Now if it works, that's an added bonus. If it don't, at least oil in dash is filled in. So before I even start doing that, I'm going to have this aerial off, because this is an old style fiberglass whip aerial, and to be honest with you, it's a pain in the arse. It gets stuck on the roof of my garage, and it's not but a chuffing nuisance. So we're going to have that out, plus up mounting oils. Up mounting oils has pulled out. So I'm gonna rate that. I bought a new aerial for that. It's supposed to be specific for T25. So we'll get that fitted. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here. We'll get that fitted, and then we'll have a go at sorting this wireless out. So I'll get back to you when I've made a bit more headway. See you in a minute. Right viewers, just about to start doing some paint. Got all my tackle together. Looks like being a nice day today. So sun's out but not too warm, and it's dry. So that should be a winner. Got these measuring pots. You'll have all have seen these on plenty of other videos, but if you measure your paint 4:1, then it tells you whatever they are. That's 3:1, 4:1, 2:1. All your measurements are on here. But I just thought I'd show you a trick what I do when it comes to pouring paint. Right, wait, what are we going on here? Right, made my decision where I'm going. I cheat a bit. Give this a good stir, good shake up this paint, get it a good shake. This paint won't be really good because it's very old. I've had it a long time. Well, I say a long time. I actually bought it to spray that escort, what I did. If anybody can remember that video, or if you watched that video. So it's about 12 months, 18 months old now, this. And it's to say it's gloopy. It don't help it's cold in my garage this morning, even though the sun's out. Where's my rag gone? Even though the sun's out, it's right, give this a stir. I have given this tin a good shake, so it's actually not stuck to the bottom. Normally it settles out, and when you stir it you can feel that it's all stuck to the bottom. It don't feel too bad. So do a quick swap into there. I hope you can see this all there. I think you can. Right. So before I not done right well there. Before I can pour this paint, if you've ever poured paint, not done right good there. If you've ever poured paint out in a tin, it makes a right bloody mess. So what I do is I make a funnel out of masking tape. Now when you pour, never pour where instructions are on tin. Pick a spot, not where there's a seam like that. Pick a spot where there's no instructions, so if any paint dribbles downside, it don't hide your instructions. Then put some masking tape on corner of tin like that, and make a V out of masking tape. A lot of you probably already know this, but just for anybody who doesn't, if you make a V like that and then use that to pour, once you've made that V with masking tape and you pour, it's a lot less messy. Right, that's as much as I want in there. But now you can just give your tin a wipe once that's done glugging, doing its thing. There you go, your tin's not half as messy as what it would be if you'd have just tried to pour it out at doings. Right, let's stick some thinners in this. Move my paint out of here before that gets spilt. Right, that's lid on that, lid on paint. This will take a while. Like I say, it's cold and it's old paint, so it's going to take a while to thin down. Plus I've started to do this on rockiest bench, never no more. It's thinning down nicely now, that. Looking a bit thick actually, I might have to add a bit more thinners. But you get just it. The main reason for showing you this were out of port paint. We put in a bit of masking tape on end at doings. So give me what screwdriver a wipe down. Right, this is what I meant by cheating. I've got these paint stirrers. They're only cheap from Ho Chi Minh City. You get paint a thorough stir. Right, that's just paint mixed. I'm going to have to crack on now because I've only got a limited time before this starts to harden off, so I'll get back to you once I've chucked a bit of paint at that here Volkswagen. Right, see you shortly. Right then, that's 3 coats of paint on top of the van. Done with this for now. Peel that off. Just give this a wipe round here. Put that lid back on. Now that tin is as clean as a whistle. I mean, you get sick of seeing paint tins with paint here dangling down outside. And once you've done that, just turn it upside down. This is had some hammer in transit. Then turn it back right way, and then your shunt get a skin on. Don't always work, but by turning it upside down and turning it back, that should stop you getting a skin on. Right, that's Ford Diamond White foot top. Top eighth, bottom eighth, as I've said, it's that's what I'm using for bottom eighth. It's VW RAC orange. That's what's going on bottom, and obviously the top's going to be Ford Diamond White. Right. Oops, knocking you about. We'll go and have a look, see what deal is with van. Top's had 3 coats now. just waiting for it to go tacky, and I'll take that that primer off. I've got no primer, that masking tape off. I can't see any runs, but I've got quite a few bugs stuck in it because it being quite a bright day, it's brought up bugs out, and they like smell of fresh paint, so they've gone and got the sense stuck in it. Got a run there, but see what I mean about bugs? Bloody ladybird dear, get off your buggy, you don't be stuck in paint. Another bug deer on its bike. Chuffing. I'm not kidding, it's supposed to be winter. All bugs are supposed to be in hibernation, but right, I'll go and rescue that that one what's stuck on its bike. Right, that's him rescued. Right, I'm going to call that it for video 13. I'm happy now I've got top done. I can fetch it in and out now and dot sides to my heart's desire, but I needed to get that top done while weather's good, because that van is too high to fit in here and me get anywhere near top to work on it. So I had to wait for a good day to get top done. I'll leave it out in the sun to dry it off, get that masking tape off, and then top's done, and crack on with bottom. That stereo I showed you, it worked for about 20 minutes, worked with remote, worked great with everything, and then it piped in. So even though it were only £11 odd, I've contacted seller and he says send it back and he'll refund me money. So that little wireless is on its way back. But I'm going to buy another one, exactly the same, and just see if it were just bad luck with that one. And try another one, because when it did work, it were a cracking little radio. So I'm going to have another go at another one. I might go mad and pay £12 odd for it next, and who knows. Right, that's end for video 13. I'll see you in number 14. Thanks for sticking with me. See you later.